heading up to the condo renovation. Flooring guys are in today, so things are moving ahead. And just want to make sure everything's going well and show you guys what's going on. Kiko is out. He's over at another project we're working on in a house in North Potomac. So this is all flooring today. Hey guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing? So as the guys work on the flooring, I'm gonna give you a little look into the situation here in the master bathroom. It's obviously changed dramatically, maybe even from the last time you saw it from the video. The flooring is basically getting set. We're basically almost ready for tile. Just gotta do some finishing on the walls, prepping it. But there's the shower head, and there's a bench. And then of course we have another bench over here, and we have an insert, put your soaps and all that good stuff. And then over here, we have where two sinks will go. So it's completely revamped space. No more little dinky shower, nice spacious shower, two benches, be able to enjoy the bathroom more, makes a lot more sense. And painting has been done. Flooring is going in right now, as you see. And then it comes down to kitchen cabinets on Tuesday, which depending when you're watching this video, 3 or 4 days from now. And I found out Monday's a holiday, so that's throwing a little delay on me that I didn't want. Can't do any work here on Monday. And outside of that, we've got to get all the other finishing done in the second bathroom as well. So it's going to be a little bit of a race. And there's the pool, it's closed now. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that update. We will be back next time and the flooring will be completely done. And then after that, you'll see the cabinets. I have to push everything and kind of make sure everything stays on target down to the finish line. Because we also have another project that we're doing, another house. And that complicates things a little bit because they're both kind of going in tandem. But we will get there. See you on the next video.